Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to refund an order on Etsy. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we are just going to follow this Etsy help center. So the first thing you will need to do is to simply go to your shop manager. That means you will need to already have some uh, seller account, and we go to shop manager, and then you will need to go to the orders. So basically you will find your orders here in this menu, and you click on orders. So then you will need just to select the three dots icon that you will find next on your orders. So basically here you will find the list of your order. You click on the three dots icon, and from there you will need just to click on refund. So basically you will select a reason for issuing a refund, and then add an optional message to the buyer. So then you will, if you want like to refund the entire transaction, you will choose the box that says issue a full refund, or if you want only a partially refund, you will enter the amount to refund. Then you will select review refund, and then you submit. And by that, you will be able like to refund the order to the buyer in Etsy. And basically, uh, you can issue any refund in accordance with your shop policies. You can also issue refunds if you agree to issue a refund to the buyer, or if the buyer is overcharged for shipping, or if the buyer forgot to apply a shop coupon, etc., etc. So basically, you can be flexible with the buyer, so you can offer some services or some good service, and of course, you will also not want to be scammed or something like that. And as you can see, basically, this is how you can refund products. Thank you for watching and see you next time.